It was just a Kwikset Deadbolt. So, let's try and pick it. Got my miniature tension wrench here. I just made it like 5 to 10 minutes ago. Still gotta bend it straighter, but yeah. Then here's my. I'm gonna turn that heater off just a second. We're downstairs. It's an old ugly heater, but we've got the tension wrench in. And this is a new pick I made. It's a short hook. At least I think it is. I'll get that in. I don't think you can see that very well. There. That's one issue I have with this. Is it'll slip over the pins. Alright, and so there you go. So, just a simple Kwikset Deadbolt. I bought it today. And here's the pick. And so, most YouTubers put their on their lockpicking, put it against something, and I'll just put it against my foot because it's ugly. And here's the tension wrench. It's kind of bent out of shape there, so I need to bend that. Gotta wait for the torch again. So we'll see you guys, and don't break the law.